Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We are back at it like a bad habit installing car parts. And today, we're installing a tow hook. Okay, so a tow hook might seem pretty easy to do, which it is. It very much is. And shout out to Connor for the Christmas present. I've been wanting these bad boys for a while now. But this is the tricky part. So, let me show you. Okay, here's my rear end. Same as everyone else's. But if we take this piece off, you'll see why it's a little bit different. So I'm gonna push on this side, right? You can hear the bash bar, right? We go over here, it's all crushed in. So as you can tell, it's not the greatest. Basically what happened about a year and a half ago, Connor and I were literally sitting at a red light. Stopped. Like nothing was happening. Just a normal traffic day essentially. Literally a dude just came up, went blank right behind me and smashed my old diffuser that I had and dented my whole rear crash bar. And luckily it really didn't do too much to the bumper or anything. Some clips broke and such like that. But overall, the car is still doing okay. There's a bit of a gap right here. There's a bit of a gap right here as well. So I'm thinking that hopefully when we take the back bumper off, we can maybe fix this a little bit. I'm not too sure, but we do have a new used rear one, and it's black, so that's cool. When we did Dame's rear crash bar, which we didn't do a video on, we're basically going to replace that. So we're going to replace that just to put this pretty little fucker on. But that's what we're going to be doing today. So I'm going to open the trunk, take the rear bumper off. I've never taken the rear bumper off before, but it seems pretty easy. I'm going to try to take this whole thing off without taking the diffuser off, because the diffuser is part of the bumper, but I got a feeling I'm going to take the whole fucker off. Yeah, it's just going to be a lot easier that way. So I think I'm going to bolt some stuff from the diffuser, and hopefully it works. But yeah, so I was thinking about doing a time lapse, and I'm going to do a time lapse. I'm just going to kind of go piece by piece and show you guys, and then we'll just go from there. Little update. Got most of the rear bumper off. That was a bitch. It was a bitch getting this fucker off. Anyways, if you guys can see, that rear crash bar is fucked, dude. Like, that's how it's supposed to look normally. Let me get a better light. Okay, see? Normal. Not normal. Dude, that dude hit me pretty good. But luckily that's all it really did, was just crush the bash bar, and that's what it's there for. So we're going to try to not take this whole thing off because it's still somewhat attached to the diffuser. That little brace, that little black brace right there. So we're just going to unbolt this and hopefully bolt the new one right up and have to take this whole thing off. Yep, there you have it, boys. Not crushed, fucking crushed. That was actually kind of a bitch because there was so much pressure on there. That thing popped out. It was pretty bad, but yeah, let's get the new fucker on and get this tow hook that's taking half an hour to do. All right, boys, we back in business. Taking the bumper on and off again didn't really help the body gap, panel gap here, but it made it even with the other side, so I'll take that as a W. But boom, new crash bar in, and since it's black, I actually like it. Like, it's not so out of place when it was a white one. So let's get on with the 2-minute install, and let's get this thing off of here. That was easy enough. And then I think we're just going to put it in there. Let's see. There's no way that's fully tightened. Okay, let's get this fucking thing in here. Oh, there we go. Alright, so I got that main one tightened all the way down. So it looks like we just keep tightening this down. Oh, okay, I see. So we need so I put that down like that, and like this piece moves too. So how do I make this work? Oh, did I just do it? Okay, so maybe I do it like hold it right there, and then maybe we move this one. tighten it. Oh, okay, I just broke it loose. Ugh. Okay. Kind of feeling that. Okay, I gotta mess with this a little bit. I've never done this before, so if I look like I'm doing stupid stuff, that's probably why. Okay, never mind. I did get it right. So basically, you tighten your big main bolt all the way down, and then you get this to where you want it looking like, and then you tighten this guy the opposite way. So we turn this way and turn that way, and it kind of tightens it. So now it's pretty good. It's all done. Alright boys, I hope you guys all enjoy the quick little install, and it might be just a tow hook, but it's kind of completing the rest of the car. That's kind of what we're doing right now, making the FRS great again, and you know, I like it, and it looks pretty cool, and I've always wanted one essentially. But that is it for the video. Stay tuned for some cool shit going on later down the road, but my name is Wes. I'm out. Deuces.